Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Melissa. Today I'm going to show you how I made this ring. It's made out of pure silver wire that I fused together. So if you want to see how I made this ring, just keep watching. I'll show you how. And I'm going to use some 10 gauge round fine silver wire for that. So decide on what size ring you want. Grab your mandrel. I want to make a bigger size ring band, so I'm going to try to stay around a 13. So let's measure that out. So that's 2 3/4 inches. So we'll measure that out. Need to keep in mind that the length that you measure for will most likely get longer once you start hammering it out. All right, so let's flatten this out a little bit. This is as wide as I got it. And this gained like a 1/4 inch, so I'm going to cut some off. Just to make sure these ends are flush, and then bring these ends together. Big ring. Should probably cut some more off. Oh boy. Okay, that looks good enough for me, so let's go fuse this thing. Okay, so I am in my kitchen at my stove, and I have my fire brick here, little cup of water quench. I have tweezers available, and I've got my torch all ready. My ring's all ready. My joint is at 12 o'clock there. I always have my joint in the same spot every time to keep it consistent. And I can go ahead and turn the lights off and get to fusing. Bring it slowly around the ring for a nice even heat. Wait for the ring to glow and wait for it to flow. Okay, so that's what that joint ended up with. Not too bad. Let's bring it back to my desk and I'll put it on the mandrel and round it off and give it a hammered texture. I'm back at my desk. This is what the ring looks like so far. Not really exciting. I need to put it back on the mandrel and kind of hammer it out and see how it looks. I'll put some hammer textures in it as well. Oh, and then I'm gonna throw it in the tumbler in a little bit and we'll see how it comes out after that. At first I'm going to take my rawhide mallet and kind of shape it back into round. See what size we ended up with here. His ring ended up being like a 13.5. So I'm going to put some hammer textures in it and then throw it in the tumbler. Make sure it's flat this way. Let me throw this in the tumbler for a couple hours and we'll see how it comes out. I'll be back. So here's how my ring came out after taking it out of the tumbler. It's kind of large. I gotta get used to measuring and sizing because hammering does make a big difference in what size it ends up in. So it has a subtle hammered texture to it. I think I'll leave that as is. It did end up being like a 13.5, close to 14. I've got some learning to do. If anybody has any tips, or just let me know in the comments. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought. And always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell to be notified of future videos. I make a new video each week. And also check me out on social media. My links are down below in the description. Feel free to tag me in your designs. I'd love to see them. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.